Is your website not ranking well on Google? Hidden issues on your website could be sending bad signals to Google and causing users to bounce. In this video, you'll learn how to easily fix your site issues with Link Vector. First, navigate to Link Actions. Here, you'll see a list of all detected issues on your website. These issues impact your site health score. More issues mean a lower score. Because it can get overwhelming, there's a few things that can make it more manageable, so you know where to start. First, issues are categorized by severity. Critical issues significantly affect your website's performance and should be prioritized. You can also use this filter to hide less critical issues and toggle here to hide resolved issues. This narrows the list and helps you focus. If you're unsure about an issue, hover over Learn More to see what it's about, why it's harmful, and how to fix it. Now on to the real action, fixing the issues. First, click on Fix Issue. Then you'll see a list of all the pages with the issue. In this case, these are all orphan pages, or pages with no links pointing to them. You can hide specific pages by clicking the eye icon to temporarily dismiss non-priority pages without forgetting them. You can fix an individual page or select multiple pages and click Fix Selected Items. Each issue type has tailored fixes. For orphan pages, you'll get suggestions to add internal links from other pages to the orphan page. You can review the suggestions, and if you like them, click on Apply Selected Suggestions. Some issues require manual actions if they involve things out of our control, such as adding meta descriptions, which have to manually be done in your CMS. Once fixed, mark them as resolved by clicking on the checkmark here. Also, direct implementation of fixes is only available for integrated CMS like WordPress. For non-integrated CMS, you'll need to apply fixes manually and then mark them as resolved. This is because we have no control over your website and can't apply changes. Let's say there's a specific page on your website that isn't ranking well, or its rankings dropped. You can enter the URL here in the search bar to see if there's any issues that are holding it back, and then resolve them. Link Vector periodically analyzes your website for issues. You can check the last time we analyzed your website here. If you've made changes since then, click on Analyze Again, so Link Vector can give you more updated and accurate suggestions. You can also review and revert the changes done through Link History. For example, if you accidentally made a mistake when fixing an issue, or an issue fix didn't yield the expected results, you can reverse the changes here. Finally, you can specify your own standards for what's considered a problematic link or page by going to Project Settings, Analysis Settings. The default settings are based on best SEO practices, official guidelines, and internal testing. But you or your niche might have different standards, which is completely understandable. For example, you might think that the maximum word count of an anchor text should be less than 12, so you can change that here. Then make sure to click on Update Analysis Settings. You can also hover over each item to understand what they affect. These settings will apply on the next site issue analysis. So that's how you fix issues for a healthier website and better performance. If you need help, email us at hello@linkvector.io.